Now your Storm Tracker team forecast with meteorologist Ashley Renee.
Well, welcome back, everyone. Happy Tuesday to you. Today's already the 19th, and we're just a few days out from the first day of fall, and it's still feeling like fall for this morning. It's a nice, comfortable, pleasant feel starting off your day. Looking outside, the sky is still mostly clear as of now, and our temperatures are in the mid 60s. Feels like temps are also in the mid 60s, and we have this great view of those twilight sunrise colors as the sun will be rising in just a little bit. Now looking at your headlines, still the same as yesterday. Last week of summer, of course. Rain chances are still low for today. We're still dealing with lower humidity and keeping an eye on the tropics. But with us being a few days out from fall, the first day is this coming Saturday, so I decided to go ahead and add a countdown for our major holidays for the end of the year. 4 days away from the first day of fall, 42 days from Halloween, 65 days from Thanksgiving, and 97 days from Christmas. Looking at your current temps is now 62 in Slaughter, 63 in Kentwood, and 64 in Hammond. And looking at the dew points, still in the 50s and 60s, so that lower moisture content has our dew points lower, and that's why we have this comfortable feel once again for this morning, just like we did for yesterday morning. But going throughout the rest of your Tuesday, of course, it'll still be another hot day, but thankfully we won't be dealing with excessive humidity. Highs will still be in the low to mid 90s around our area for today. Now we also have an air quality alert that began just about 15 minutes ago, 6 a.m. and will be expiring at midnight. This is covering Point Coupee Parish, Iberville, Ascension, East and West Baton Rouge parishes, and also Livingston Parish. Those in the sensitive groups, those who may have respiratory issues, young kids, elderly, trying to spend a lot of time outdoors, just do what you can to protect your health. Now we are still being influenced by high pressure. And as we go through the rest of the day, really through the next coming days, we'll still have mostly clear skies for the most part and drier conditions. So it's a great weather week if you had plans to try to get some outdoor gardening done, as we'll still be remaining mostly dry. But the humidity will be increasing a little bit more so as we go into the coming days, especially as our winds will shift to become more easterly, southeasterly over the next day or two. So while it won't be too humid for this week, again, humidity will be rising a little bit more so, but our dew points will likely just be staying in the 60s. Overnight lows will be in the mid to upper 60s, mostly clear sky for tonight. Highs will still be in that same range for tomorrow, low to mid 90s, and it'll be just a tad bit more humid for your Wednesday. Now looking at tomorrow's highs, we see 93 for Jackson, Louisiana, 92 for Greensburg, and 93 for Macomb, Mississippi. Now taking a look at the tropics, there's a tropical wave off the west coast of Africa, which could form into a tropical depression in the next couple of days. It has a high chance for developing into a system. And there's also a non-tropical area of low pressure just off the southeast U.S. coast, which could possibly form into a system as well later this week, but has lower chances for developing. But either way, there's nothing in the Gulf as of now, so we're pretty much in the clear. Overall, the main thing that we have to worry about for this week is just continuing to enjoy this nice weather. But of course, with it still being dry though, and the lower humidity for now, just know we do still have an increased fire weather risk, so make sure you're still abiding by the rules of that statewide burn ban that's in place. And going through the next few days, highs will be staying in the low to mid 90s. Overnight lows will be in the mid to upper 60s to about 70. Rain chances could increase a tad bit more so at the end of the weekend into early next week if another cold front is able to make its way towards us.